Subscribe Prudent Social Media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
This time also we first as NCP also tried to speak to the Congress and tell them that we have been in the traditional past until 2012 Congress used to leave 7 out of the 40 seats for NCP. We said that even if it is some adjustment of number reducing also, we are ready, but let us work together so that we are able to take on the government here. This proposal of ours was, not, they never said no, but they never said yes. They never gave us adequate numbers of seats. They never talk of seats which we were strong or capable to contest. NCP and Shiv Sena, we had discussions and we felt that we should at least fight the elections together jointly. We will be fighting not all 40 seats, but we will be fighting a substantial number of seats, at least 10-12 from each party. We have not decided the number, but we will definitely give you that number in a day or two. Our first list may be released tomorrow.
उनको शायद लगता होगा कि अपने बल पर वो सरकार बनाएंगे, तो हम उनको हमारी तरफ से शुभकामनाएं देते हैं। जितने हम सीटें लड़ रहे हैं उसमें से जरूर हम सीटें जीतेंगे और हमारे सिवाय सरकार नहीं बनेगी उसका हमें पूरा विश्वास भी है। उत्पल पर्रिकर अगर इंडिपेंडेंट चुनाव लड़ते हैं पणजी से तो हम विचार करेंगे उनको सपोर्ट करना है, सब पार्टी मिलकर क्या करना है, 1-to-1 फाइट अगर हो सकती है वहां तो एक सिंबॉलिक फाइट हो सकती है।